we are covering the very first step that you need to take before you even start getting organized. Yes, there is a step you'd have to take before you get organized, and it is actually defining what organized looks like in your home. So, think about it like this. When you go to the gym, you set a goal, right? You want to tone your arms. You want to get a six pack, whatever it is. When you go to the gym, you have your end result in mind. So when you go and you do and work on the equipment, you know what your goal is at the end of the day. Well, the same is true for organizing. So you need to be able to get crystal clear on what organized looks like for you. What is your end result for organizing? I have had people tell me that they want their home Pinterest perfect, or that they want things, looking a certain way, being super functional, being more practical. If you're downsizing, maybe you want to be a minimalist, like you feel like that at heart. You are starting a family, so you're trying to get yourself situated with that. Whatever it may be, get crystal clear on what organized looks like and why. Then what I want you to do is to write down what it is. Use paper and pencil. You want to really focus on creating that idea and solidifying it by writing it in paper and pencil. Then you are going to find an area of your home that you also deem as organized. Like what looks like it's organized in your house? What feels organized to you? Why does that area feel organized? What about it? And then use that as your end goal. Because when you have an end goal in mind, it's going to make life and organizing so much easier. I've been around a lot of people who claim that they're disorganized or that they can't get organized. And when you actually look at their situation, they never defined what organized looks like for them. So they never felt like they were finished. But when you define what organized looks like to you, you'll be able to feel like your space is finished, that it's tidy, that it is done. Obviously, with organizing, there is maintenance in order to keep it that way. But the real purpose is that you feel like you have a space that's organized and you can keep it that way. So you need to start by defining what organized means to you. Now, I have a free guide that you can use to kind of walk you through this, or you can do it on your own. So your action step today is to write down what organized looks like. What is your end goal? Why do you want your house to be a certain way? Why are you going to go through the process of organizing in order to gain what? Get really specific. Then find a spot in your house that's organized and then ask yourself why you feel this is organized. What about it works for you? What about it makes you feel organized? Is it a drawer, a shelf, a corner, an area of your closet, maybe a spot in your bedroom? Whatever it is, find that spot and figure out why that makes you think of organized when you think of that space. And then together with your list, those are the two things that you're going to put together and be like, this is organized in my house. So take action, and I will see you in the next one.